Hey guys, it's Bethany with ABCuteCreations here. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this 2x4 Basics AnySize chair from Menards. You can get the kit for about $35 and all you have to do is add some 2x4s. So in this video I'm going to speed up some of the assembly. You can see these are my two brothers, two of my brothers I should say. They're going to do the assembly, and even though I sped it up, it took a total of about 16 minutes and 39 seconds, I believe, for the total installation or the total assembly. I did slow it down to real time whenever I had a question for them so that you can hear their answers. So you won't have to cut anything?
Just the wood.
Or if you
That's
bought
what we
them
cut.
6-footers, then you'd be fine.
Yeah, they didn't have 6-foot sections, so we bought 12 and then just cut them in half and made the two of them. Otherwise, you can get the 8 and cut the 2 feet. Or, because you can make a 2-foot, 4-foot, or 6-foot, 2, 3. It says on the box.
Anywhere from 2 feet to
Yeah.
6 feet.
6 feet is the longest you can go. They recommend.
While you're watching this, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more up-to-date projects and our she shed build out. Overall, this is a really great kit from Menards. I think it was well worth it. We ended up getting 2 of these for around the fire pit, and I like that they each have cup holders on the armrests, and they're pretty comfy. They can also hold all 3 of my adult brothers, as you could see at the beginning of the video and on the thumbnail. What are you guys looking for in your first piece?
First piece, just a smooth edge so you're not hitting it with the backs of your knees.
Just like normal one.
Okay. You can hold that side tight over on that end. And I'll butt it up. How are you looking on that side? I'm over about.
Please ignore the mess in the background. Our garage is quite cluttered at the moment. We're trying to get ready for that she shed build out, so a lot of things had made their way in there that don't belong in there. Overall, I think this is a really great kit if you struggle or aren't that handy with woodwork and everything. I think it's a great option. All you have to do is get those 2x4s. You can cut them down to make it any width you want, and then you have your armrests and the legs all set. And in some of the frames it's hard to tell, but the notches are already cut out, so you just drill directly into those. So everything is marked for you and easy to understand.
Yep. Perfect.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.